Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps. Today I'm going to upgrade the headlights from original OEM stock bulbs to LEDs. I'm going to upgrade the LEDs on Toyota Camry, which is a 2016 year model, and I'm going to use JDM LEDs. These LEDs are really nice LEDs. First, I'm going to show you the original OEM bulbs, how they look, and you can see they're looking yellowish color, the amber color, and they look decent. They don't look bad. Now I'm going to show you after replacing with LED. After the LED upgrade, they look much brighter and very sharp light, and it will increase your visibility at night time. They are looking really nice. I'm going to list the product information under my description, so please check it out in case if you want to upgrade your car to LED. And it's very simple and very easy process. It does not take that long. It takes only a few minutes. It brings the outlook of your car, and at night time you will enjoy while you're driving. It gives you a better vision, better lighting. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So this is the product I'm using. This one comes with the product manual, so please read through. It has two LEDs. One thing you need to pay attention that don't press the fan when you're installing it. And this one comes in two pieces. This one plugs in like this. There is a notch that corresponds to that tab up there, and when you press in, then you just make sure that it nicely tighten. And this is the ballast. So let's get started. Open the hood. So we'll open it. So once the hood is open, you can take a look how simple and easy process. Let's take a look. So this is the light bulb right there. So insert your hand, and we're going to turn it anti-clockwise, and we're going to pull the stock bulb. If you look at, that's the tab. We're going to press it. When we're going to press it, it releases the notch from here, and then you just pull it out. So it's very simple. So this is the original OEM bulb. These are the three notches. 1, 2, and 3. One is the bigger one. So when we're going to insert it, we're going to make sure the bigger goes into the bigger notch, which is, so we're going to insert the LED straight and no force. And please make sure that don't press it on the fan. There is not enough room, but if you put it straight, that fits into the notch. And once it's seated nicely, then we're going to turn it clockwise, and it's nicely fit into the socket. This is the connector, and we're going to insert firmly inside, and that locks in. And now we're going to put the double-sided tape. There is not enough room that I can show to you, so I'm using a double-sided tape. I put it like 1 inch on the back of the ballast. What I did, this portion right here, the body, I just put my hand in there and just I stick it against the metal body frame. And now I'm going to install the LED on the passenger side. We are done installing on the driver side, and now it's on the passenger side. And the passenger side is very easy. So turn it anti-clockwise and pull the bulb out. And this is the tab. We press it with the thumb and just pull this off. And now we're going to install LED. As you see, the bigger notch, smaller notches. The bigger notch on the top, so you're going to put it in. So once it's seated, turn it clockwise. And that's it. So we're going to use the double-sided tape. Then we're going to remove it. And I'm going to stick it right on the metal body right here. So it will stay at one place. It's not going to move. And then we're going to connect the connector. We're going to insert it in and then press it, and that locks in. So this is the broad daylight. I'm going to turn the headlights and you will see. And they're looking very nice and bright. So that's how it's easy and simple to upgrade your original OEM lights to LED lights on Toyota Camry, and it can be any model. And as I mentioned, that the JDM product I'm using, I'm going to list the link under my description, so please check it out. Now I'm going to show you the comparison on the left and the right, and you see the difference. I hope you're going to like this video, and if you like this video, please give a like and subscribe Easy Steps. I'm going to see you soon with another video. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.